Next, we're going to hook the mouth. Cast on with beige thread. First, tie a knot in the mouth. And then play a knot. Pick the thread with your left hand. Hook 4 chain stitches. Four chain stitches are now finished. Hook 2 single crochets. This first needle is out. Pass the needle from the second chain stitch. Mark the first single crochet. Hook another single crochet. There is still a needle left. Hook 3 single crochets in the same pinhole. Three single crochets are now ready. Turn to this side to hook the next needle. Hook a single crochet. Find this one pinhole. There's still a pinhole left right here. The last pinhole. Hook 2 single crochets. Hook an additional stitch. The first stitch is now finished. Find this first needle. Hook a slip stitch. Hook a slip stitch in the first stitch. Then hook the second lap. Hook an additional stitch in the first stitch in the second round. Hook a single crochet. At this turning point, hook 3 additional stitches in 3 stitches. Then hook a single crochet. There are the 2 last needles left. Hook 2 additional stitches. When hooking the last single crochet, hook an unfinished single crochet. Then use gray thread so that you can complete the color changing part. Hook a slip stitch. The beige lines are not used here. Tie a knot. Cut it off. Hook 4 single crochets in the third round. Hook a single crochet in each stitch. Mark the first stitch. The third round is now finished. Hook the fourth lap. Hook 2 single crochets and an additional stitch 4 times in the fourth round. The last 2 needles, hook a single crochet and an additional stitch. Hook 2 single crochets. Next, there is an additional stitch. The last 2 needles are left. Hook a single crochet, an additional stitch. Hook a slip stitch in the first stitch. Hook a chain stitch. The mouth is now hooked. Leave about 20 centimeters of line tail, then cut it off. Okay, let's set it aside for later use. Now let's hook its hair. The hair has a longer line at the end, so let's make a knot. Use the crochet method to tie the live knot around a circle. Hold at the intersection of this line. Bring the thread over. This living knot is finished. The hair is hooked in 6 rows, 7 chain stitches, 6 slip stitches, hook chain stitches. Alright, let's hook it. Hook 7 chain stitches. The 7 chain stitches are now ready. Hook 6 slip stitches. The first needle is empty. Threading the needle from the second needle, hook a slip stitch. and bring the thread. Hook to a back coil. This is a slip stitch. Hook a chain stitch. The first group is now over. Hook the second group. This one chain stitch does not count as the number of needles. Hook 7 chain stitches. Hook 6 slip stitches. Six slip stitches are now finished. Then hook a chain stitch. Then hook the third group. Hook 6 slip stitches. Hook 6 sets of hair. Six groups of hair are now over. Hook a chain stitch. Leave about 20 centimeters of line tail and then cut it off. All the accessories are now well hooked.